Okay, here we have a 2014 Cadillac SRX luxury collection. It's a 3.6 liter V6 engine. This is a black exterior. Really nice wheels and rims. Beautiful shine. This Cadillac also has the dual pipes in the back and plenty of trunk storage. Seats do fold up as well for extra storage. And the interior does have a nice wood grain leather, black leather, fully equipped, every bell and whistle, Bluetooth, backup camera, nice display screen, navigation. Also has a wonderful panoramic sunroof. Excellent condition. No tears in the leather.